Yoga is an art as well as a science. Yoga is not a system of beliefs. It takes into account the influence on each other of body and mind and brings them into mutual harmony. So often, for instance, the mind cannot concentrate simply because of tension or illness in the body, which prevent the energy from flowing to the brain. So often too, the energy in the body is weakened because the will is dispirited or paralyzed by harmful emotions. Yoga has an effect on every single part of my life, physically, mentally, and emotionally. The most important thing it has affected is self love and the relationship with myself. Before I became a yoga practitioner, the last relationship I would take care of was the relationship with myself, which had a tremendous impact on my health, my outlook in life, my happiness, and the relationship I formed with others. Through yoga, I learned that the relationship with the self has to come first. Once the relationship is established, we are able to perceive the world differently. Nature and my connection to it has started to play a bigger role, the understanding that you are part of something bigger, something larger than yourself. I have learned how to take care of my health, notice what goes on in my body, my mind, and translate that into my personal needs in order to be the best I can be. Yoga changed me internally, or maybe not changed me but made my connection with the self stronger, and because of that, I can be a better person.